What if I told you that the way you take a photo can teach you to live a better life? Photography isn't just about capturing moments. It's a mirror for how we approach our own journey. Let's explore the profound connection between life and photography. Hi, I'm Peter, and welcome to this series where we explore life through the lens of photography. Life and photography share more than meets the eye. Both require focus, balance, and the ability to adapt. In this episode, I'll introduce you to the idea that photography isn't just an art form. It's a guidebook for living intentionally. Here are a few parallels we will dive into: composition, focus, editing, and storage. Think about it. In photography, if you focus on too many things at once, everything becomes blurry. Isn't life just about the same? A good photo needs balance, just like in life. If your frame is too crowded, you miss the subject. In life, it's about knowing when to say no to distractions, so you can focus on what is important. Focus is everything. Have you ever taken a photo where the subject was blurry? That's what happens when we lack priorities. Deciding what truly matters allows everything else to fade out in the background. Editing isn't really about changing the truth. It's about enhancing a story. In life, we can't control what happens to us, but we can adjust how we see it. By changing perspective, we can change challenges into being opportunities. And then, storage. Photos are stored memories, just like our minds. But cluttering your storage, either on your computer or in your head, will just slow you down. Life feels lighter when you make space for the things that truly matters. So, photography, it is a lot like life. It's not about perfection, it's about perspective. And just like a camera, you hold the power to shape your journey. In this series, we'll dive deeper into those parallels, learning not just how to take better photos, but how to live in a more intentional life. You know what to do, and let's focus on what matters together.